Welcome back. If you happen to notice NAU geology students in the field, you'll see they're using the latest technologies, which are completely changing the way things are done. This is where Arizona's Verde River begins, in an oasis west of Flagstaff. These geology seniors are gathering data using iPads, creating digital maps and georeferencing data.
The computer integrates a camera with the geographic positioning system seamlessly. So it's really easy to locate everywhere we are and to put a picture with it and to put notes with it.
The way that we were taught to map before is you have your paper map, you have your notebook, you have your Brunt compass, maybe you're lucky to have a GPS, but you have to annotate everything. Now, what I did is I added more points and more lines because I wanted to put in other types of points.
Okay, so show me what those are, where they are and what you did there.
But with the iPad, all of my notes, all of my pictures, everything is all in one place and it's georeferenced. And it's really easy to transfer to the computer and I don't have to copy anything down again. It's all right there and it's really, really easy to remember as well, like looking at the picture. Oh yes, I was there and I took that.
And you can manipulate it all in one place as well. And you can move it around your iPad without, emailing yourself or having to go back to a desktop. I can get into an Excel sheet or numbers sheet in here and manipulate data right away.
Many of these iPads were purchased with a grant from Pioneer Natural Resources, who wanted to support NAU's geology program.
So we have lots of really high resolution imagery. We have high resolution topographic maps. All of those maps can be synced at a very large scale, meaning you can zoom in very far and work offline so you don't need to be connected to Wi-Fi or 3G. And I think the students it really helps them too.
The iPads are outfitted with an application called GIS Pro, and developers have worked closely with NAU to improve the app's functionality.
You don't usually have the opportunity to work with the developers of any software program. As far as they're concerned, we're the only university using their program on a large scale in the classroom. And so they're really interested in what we have to say, especially as geologists.
Well, NAU has been a leader and an innovator in the use of tablet computers in learning environments. This is actually the fourth generation of tablet computers we've used in the geology program at NAU, and each of them have had significant improvements and advantages to them.
The latest technology has made it easier to measure the depth and orientation of rock units while documenting springs and taking hydrogeology measurements, all of which are important to the students' final project.
So after we finish in the field, we actually go back to the office for a few days and they will generate a pretty map from their products, and they will also develop a report explaining the interaction between the geology and the water at this field site.
After completing their capstone projects, some of these students are beginning graduate school, and others are embarking on careers. And some say using this latest technology helped them secure jobs in their field. When we return, a delicious trip to Sedona.